Emil. I'm going to do leak-proof experiment.
Hi Emil.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Okay. What we need for the experiment, Emil?
We need 5 pencils and Ziplocs
Okay.
and container and
Okay.
3 cups of water.
Okay.
And get the Ziploc and open the Ziploc.
Okay.
Mark.
I'll help you. Okay. I'll pour the water. One minute. We need more water. Okay. Let's seal it now. Seal the ziploc.
Yes.
Shall we start the experiment?
Yeah.
Okay, you can start poke with a pencil.
Let's get the pencil and poke it right here.
Good.
It's doing here now.
Okay. Wait. I'll turn this. Okay. Wow. Wow, this is awesome, Emil. Okay, now let's remove the pencil and see whether the water is leaking or not. Now, you need to do from the opposite side. Now, do these 3 first. Yes, the water is leaking.
Yeah.
You know why the water didn't leak when you poked it?
No.
That's because all these Ziploc covers are made of plastic. Okay, so this plastic paper has large number of molecules. So they call it as polymer. So when you expand the plastic bag, it's getting stretched, right? That's
Yeah.
because of the polymer. That's why the water is not leaking.
Yeah.
Thanks for the experiment, Emil.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.